Bro, what are you doing?
I'm working on our last video about German cars.
Perfect. I've got a high-performance German car. Let's make a video about it.
Okay, let's go.
It's the Porsche 992 GT3 RS.
It's my dream car, bro. Let me talk about it.
I'll start, and you can continue talking about it. It's a German car, and this version, the 992, was first produced in 2022. The GT3 RS itself first debuted in 2003 with the 996 generation. After that, the 997 followed in 2006. Then came the 991 in 2015, and now the 992, which is the latest version.
This beast comes with a naturally aspirated flat-six engine, producing 518 horsepower and weighing just 1450 kilograms.
When I write in the title that it's the GOAT of sports cars, I'm not lying. Because when we compare it with sports cars that have a six-cylinder engine without a turbo, we won't find anything that competes with it. So, we have to compare it with V8 engines.
And when it's compared with the V8 engine, it doesn't lose. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds.
This car, if we see to its engine, it's a beast. And if we see to her appearance, it's a queen.
Its top speed is 184 miles per hour. And don't forget, it's a big car with a huge spoiler. So it can produce 816 kilograms of downforce at 124 miles per hour.
If you want us to talk about what downforce is, let us know in the comments.
And I think it's one of the fast six-cylinder engine you can find, with starting price of $240,000.
That's it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video so that we can buy it, inshallah.
ويوم تشقق السماء بالغمام ونزل الملائكة تنزيلا الملك يومئذ الحق للرحمن